He stepped inside his home, he was overwhelmed with fear. An angel came with words from God, things were still unclear. Saying, read, read, but he could not read. Amazing words that he heard. A trembling deep inside his heart, confused by what had occurred. There was only one who could comfort him, to help him see the light, to ease his fears, to reassure, was Hatidze, his wife. He said, Zamilooni, Zamilooni, Dathiruni, a mighty task has come before me. I need you here with me, by my side, by my side. She was a woman of nobility, successful in all her trade. Many wealthy men had asked for her, she turned them all away. But when she saw Muhammad, a shining moon, made peace beyond his soul. He was a light for her, so right for her, her life will now be whole. But she had never seen him so distressed as he was there that day. She would comfort him and hold him tight and chase his doubts away. When he said, Zamilooni, Zamilooni, Dathiruni, a mighty task has come before me. I need you here with me, by my side, by my side, by my side. We look for stories of love in places dark and cold, where we have a guiding light for the whole world to behold. We're so selfish in our ways to the ones we hold so close. Our own pleasure and happiness is what we value most. But she sacrificed all her wealth and everything she had, and he honored her and gave her faith when the times were bad, when times were bad. Now years have passed, times had changed since Hatidze breathed her last, and the message of the one true God was spreading far and vast. But then he came across some jewelry that Hatidze had once worn. His eyes began to swell with tears, his heart began to mourn. 'Cause she was there for him when the times were rough and his enemies were cruel. She was the first believer, so keen and eager to comfort our soul. When he said, Zamilooni, Zamilooni, Dathiruni, a mighty task has come before me. I need you here with me, by my side, by my side, by my side. Rasulullah, Habib Allah, Shafi Allah, Nabi Allah. He said, Zamilooni, Zamilooni, Dathiruni, a mighty task has come before me. I need you here with me, by my side, by my side, by my side.